Want to analyze a company's financial health using Google Finance? In this video, I'll show you how to quickly check the cash flow of any company step by step. First, open Google Finance in your browser. Once you're on the home page, search for any company or stock you want to analyze. For this example, let's use PayPal. Click on the company to open its profile page. After selecting the company, scroll down until you find the Financials section. By default, you might see the income statement selected. What you need to do is switch to Cash Flow. Click on the drop-down and select Cash Flow. Once you're there, you can choose between quarterly or annual cash flow data. For example, select Annual to see a full year overview. Now you'll be able to view important details like net income, cash from operating activities, cash from investing activities, and cash from financing activities. These metrics help you understand how money flows in and out of the company. And that's how you can easily check the cash flow of any company using Google Finance. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out more simple finance tutorials.